Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I really hope that guys the videos will keep uploading and helping you out. This is video number 9 guys, which simply means I'm doing question 9 from the November 2023 mathematics paper 1 examination, which was written in the province of Eastern Cape. If this is the first video you come across guys, please note that there are 8 videos rather before this one, and I will post the last video after this one whereby I'll be doing question 10. Just click the link on the description below. It will take you straight to the playlist whereby you can find the full memorandum. You can just download the question paper, answer the questions with me, and if there are things you're not happy about, please do write on the comment section. I'll definitely come back and assist you if you need any help. And please don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe to the channel. Okay guys, let's do it. Okay, question 9. For any two events A and B, it is given that the probability of A is 0.35 and the probability of A or B is 0.61. We are supposed to determine the probability of B if events A and B are mutually exclusive. And for mutually exclusive events, guys, it simply means that the probability of A or B is simply equal to the probability of A plus the probability of B. If this is 0.61 and I have 0.35 here, okay, for me to find the probability of B, I'll just say 0.61 minus 0.35. This will give me 0.26. Let me confirm. 0.61 minus 0.35. Yeah, that's 0.26. So if the events are mutually exclusive, the probability of B is 0.26. Okay. Now I'm supposed to determine the probability of B if events A and B are independent of one another. Okay, if the two events are independent, guys, please note that it simply means that the probability of A the probability of A and B is equal to the product of probability of A and the probability of B if the events are independent, right? But remember that we were told that we were given the probability of A or B, and I know that this probability can be calculated by saying the probability of A plus the probability of B minus the probability of A and that of B. This is the same as the probability of A plus probability of B. I still have A or B there, minus, I will write with a different color just to show that I'm changing. These two things are equal, right? And they are only equal if it was stated that events A and B are independent. Okay, I had 0.61 over here. The probability of A is 0.35. Probability of B I don't know, and the probability of A is 0.35 multiplied by the probability of B. So this will give me 0.26 is equal to probability of B minus 0.35 times the probability of B is simply 0.65 probability of B. Divide both sides by 0.65. I'll find the probability of B to be equal to 0.26 divided by 0.65. I'll find it to be equal to 0.4. So if the events A and B are independent of one another, it simply means that the probability of B will be 0.4. Okay, I'm told that a cell phone distribution company investigated the number of defective cell phones that they obtained from two suppliers. Supplier number one is Axis Phones, supplier number two is Direct Phones. They recorded their findings in a contingency table. Okay, question one, we're supposed to find A, B, and C. Okay, we can find C and B easily. Why? Because they are totals. Ne? I know that 384 is the total for Axis Phones plus C, which is the total for Direct Phones, must give us the total number of phones, which is 600. So the value of C will be just 600 minus 384. This would give me 216. So I now know that C is equal to 216. Okay, let us find B now. The total number of defective phones, which is B, plus the total number of non-defective phones must give us the total number of phones. So B will be equal to 600 minus 514. This will give us 86 number of phones. That means the value of B is just 86. And then for me to find A, I'll just say 58 plus A is equal to 86. Therefore, A is equal to 86 minus 58. This will give me 28. So the value of A is just 28. Okay. Now let's go and answer question 9.2.2. We are supposed to calculate the probability that a cell phone chosen at random is supplied by Direct Phones. The probability of a phone being supplied by Direct Phones, the total number of phones supplied by Direct Phones divided by the total number of phones in the sample space. I have 216 over 600. 216 over 600 is equal to 0.36. So that's the probability. 9.2.3, I'm supposed to calculate the probability that a cell phone chosen at random is not detective, number one, or it is from Axis Phones and it is detective. I'm supposed to find the probability that the phone is not detective, or means plus, ne? Or the phone it was supplied from Axis Phones and the phone is detective. Okay, so the probability of finding a phone which is not detective, I'll simply say the number of not detective phones all over the total number in the sample space, plus in here is I'll say the number of Axis phones which are detective all over the total number of the sample space. I just need to substitute, né? The number of phones which are not detective, that's 514 all over 600, which is my sample space, and the number of phones which are supplied by Axis Phones and are defective, that's 58 all over 600. So the probability is simply 514 all over 600 plus 58 all over 600. This will give me let me see. Yeah, it's 514 plus 58 over 600. This will give me 0.9533 as my probability. Yeah, that's how, guys, we could have tackled question number 9, and I really hope that, guys, the video helped you. If there are things you're not sure about, or there are things you don't understand, please do write on the comment section. I'll definitely come back and assist you. Most importantly, guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.